Guys, this is Morning Win TV. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $20 from your smartphone. It's very simple. All you just need to do, pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I will show you how you can make $20 on your smartphone. Just keep on watching. Let me show you how you can make money online. So first thing, what you need to do, go to Google and search for Honeygain. Once you search for Honeygain, click on the first link that will open. As you can see, this is the application, which is Honeygain. I know you'll be wondering, but what is Honeygain and how does this application work? So how Honeygain work? Honeygain work in a way whereby you install this application on your smartphone. As long as you have internet connection on your smartphone and this application, which is called Honeygain, is running on your smartphone, you will be making passive income. So they will be building a coin. This coin, you can convert this coin into cash. So that is how it works. You just need to install this application on your smartphone and you are good to go. I know you'll be wondering, is this application available worldwide? Yes, this application is available worldwide. All you just need to do is to follow the instruction of what I will do now, and you will start making money. So the first thing, and let us just go straight. The first thing, what you need to do is to go down. You just need to go down to see that it's just by sharing internet connection. You can see, you can estimate how much you want to be making monthly, weekly, daily. You can see, you can increase how much you want to be making, and you can increase the device you want to use. So you can see, you can use like a 2 device, 3 device. It just depends on you. As you can see, if you use multiple device here, you can see what he's saying here. You can only use 3 IP address, which is 3 device with 3 different internet connection. So you can do this by just following this step-by-step guide. So all you just need to do is to come and start using this application. And one thing I didn't say, to sign up on this application, you will get $5. So for just signing up, you are getting $5 to sign up on this application, which is called Honeygain. So that is how you can make money with this application. I hope you get idea of what I'm talking about, and I hope you are following instruction of what we are talking. So if you like this video and you are enjoying it, all I just ask in return, just click that subscribe button just for my video to get to other people, and like and comment if you have any question. So that is things I want you to be aware of. I know you'll be wondering, how can I get paid? So we are going to go to that section. If you scroll down on the homepage of Honeygain, you can see that Honeygain is going to pay you on paper. So you can see they will pay you paper, Bitcoin, or JMPT, which is the app that they created on their on this application, which is called a Future Point. So that is how you can get paid. So don't worry. I know you'll be wondering, what is the minimum amount you can use to cash out? Let me say, okay, yeah, minimum amount you can cash out is $20. So once you hit the minimum amount of $20, you will start making money. I know you'll be wondering, how can I hit minimum amount of $20 in just a day? So yes, you can do that just by having a good internet connection. And if there is a lot of company that needs internet assist from that your location, you will make more money. You can see, say your earnings depend on the traffic demand required for our business, as well as the number of users in your areas. How this application work is that they share your internet connection to businesses that need assistance, that need help with free internet connection online. So there's businesses that need internet connection that is fast. So what they do is that they share a little part of your internet connection to those companies, and that is what you just have to do. So you see, it's very, very important that they are not even going through your data. It's just your internet connection they want to have a share of, and you are good to go. You don't even need to on your GPS for them to do this. As long as you install this application, you give them permission, you give this application permission to run on your smartphone, you are good to go. I hope you get idea of how this application will work and how you can increase your earning, and in the other way. So other way too, you can still make money with this application is to refer people to the program. So you can refer people to this application and you are getting paid in return. So that is how you can increase your earning, by referring people and by having a good internet connection. And you can use multiple device, which is, at least you can see that they are recommending 3 device, which is 3 IP address. So you can go and use those tips that I just give you now to increase your earning. So I know we have been talking about, so how can you download it? Like I said, you can download it on your computer, on your smartphone, or let me say on your computer, iPhone or Android or Linux or Mac. Just download it in any devices that you have. It doesn't matter if you have computer or smartphone, just install it in that thing that you have. So to start using the application first, you need to click on download. It will ask you to download it. Because I've downloaded it, that is why it's showing me if I want to download it again. All I just need to do is to click on download again, and the application will be downloaded. As you can see, it's downloaded. It's asking me to install it. I will click on open. So it's going to pop up and tell me to say, do you want to update this application? I will click on update. So what is going to do is going to update this application. Because I've already installed it, it's just telling me to update it. But if you have not, if you don't have this application, it will tell you install it. So you will click on install and it will be installed automatically. So once it's done, you will click on done on open. So if I will click on done, because we are going to go into my smartphone, then I will show you how the application work and how the logo look and how the application look on my smartphone. And one thing I want to say again is that when you are using this application, you need to make sure you have good internet connection. That is how you can make money. Have good internet connection and use multiple devices, at least 3, and refer people to the program, and you will see passive income coming into your paper account. You can see on Trustpilot they have 7,608 review on Trustpilot, which is something very good. You can go and check it out on Trustpilot. So that is what I want to talk about. You know everything about this application, which is called Honeygain. If you still like this video and you are enjoying what I'm saying, don't forget again to click that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Moneywin TV, and let us keep going. So let me show you the application on our Google Play Store since we have installed it. On my smartphone since we have installed. So this is how the application look. This is Honeygain. You can see this is the application that I'm moving around. So this is how the application look once you have installed it. One thing I need to say again, if you go to Google Play Store, you cannot find Honeygain on Google Play Store. It's not available on Google Play Store. So please, any application that show as on Google is fake. So you can see some apps like this one is showing that is Honeygain is a fake app. So don't use this application. If not, you'll just be wasting your time. So don't use that. Just go and download it from their website. That is what I want to talk about. So like I said, the application is not available on Google Play Store. It's only available on their website, which is Honeygain website. So once you have installed it, you need to click on it. So now it's going to open up. So it's going to open up. You will see my earnings because I'm already using the application. Like what I said, to register is just with your email, your Gmail and password. Your Gmail and password, you are good to go. So that is only what you need to start using this application, which is Honeygain. As you can see, they have daily reward. I will just click on daily reward, try. And as you can see, I will click on the pot. So it's just told me that I just got 10 credit. I will click on OK. So that is how you'll be getting daily credits once you start using this application. So that is it. And you can see that I have been using the application. You can see each day, you can see like on the 8th I receive a lot of points on the 8th. You can see if I click on that, you will see that I receive a lot of points on this day. So that is what you can see here, and you can see the graph how the earning is going up and down. So you cannot make money every day, a lot of money every day, but depending on how you use the application, that is how you can make more money. So you can see, if we scroll down here, you can see that I'm using one device. I was using 2 devices, 3, but I'm using 2 devices now. As you can see, I have the referral session. I have referred 38 people. So that is why I say you can use my referral link if you want. The link will be in the description. It will be the first link. And yeah, so that is what I need to show you on the application. So once you have installed it, to register is very simple. Just give the app permission to run on your smartphone, and you will start making passive income with this application. Okay, I know you'll be wondering, show us proof that you have made money from this application. Let me show you proof in just a minute. I'll click on these 3 icons at the bottom. So once I click on the 3 icon, you will see a section where you say transaction history. I will click on transaction history here. So once I click on transaction history, you will see I've made $20.10, $20.48. You can see the proof I've been sent into my paper account. So that is the proof I have for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I will say thank you very much. And yeah, that is everything I need to talk about. You can increase how much you want to be spending each day, how much MB, like how much data you want to be consuming each day. And two, even if you said how much you want to be consuming, make sure you have a good internet connection. That is what I want to talk about. I will say thank you very much, like I said, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to Money Win TV. I will say thank you very much and see you on the next one. Before you go out from this video, don't forget again to check our website, which is YouGods Power. And don't forget again, like I said, to check out our website, which is YouGods Power, and you go to our forum. Go to forum, you see community, you click on YouGods Power community, YouGods Power forum, and here you can you can ask us any question. Just ask me any question and I'll reply you as soon as I see your question on our forum. Ask me any question, just go and ask me. And two, you can go and check our SEO tools, which is USafe SEO, where you can analyze your website, paragraph checker, and a lot of things, keyword position, word counter. There's a lot of tools you can use on this my SEO tools website. Just go and try this SEO tools website out. The links to will still be in our description below. It will be the third link. Go and check this SEO tools. It will help you on your website if you have a website. So I'll say thank you very much and see you on the next one.